Hey Rob, how's it going?
Good, Sue. How are you?
Good, good. Another busy week winding down and gearing up for another busy week ahead. So your trail running, that's getting some traction,
Yeah,
which
getting
is
some
great.
traction. Yes. So Tuesday evenings at Hardwood.
Fantastic.
Around 6 o'clock, people are showing up, and we're having more and more people coming out. It's lots of fun.
All levels, right?
All levels.
All levels.
And the trails are really well marked,
Yeah.
and so you can go as short or as long as you want, and it doesn't matter your level, and it's great fun.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
And then
Well, Thursday, Susan Clark and Wendy Lowry, they both have quite extensive training in restorative yoga. They've spent time training with Judith Hanson-Lassiter, who's a worldwide recognized restorative yoga teacher. And so they're doing this coming Thursday on the 7th. We have a couple of spots left. Always wonderful feedback from that yoga class.
Yeah.
So if you're interested, it's there's 2 teachers, it's an hour and a half, and the cost for the class is $20. So calling us directly to reserve your spot's a good idea.
Yeah, great. And then the following day, we're in Huntsville.
Yeah, you're
For
gonna be setting up.
At the registration headquarters, I guess, at Band on the Run, which is a great fun race that we did last year, and you're going to be running on Saturday.
It's a great event because you don't have to be a runner to enjoy it. They have music set up like every 500
meters or so, yeah.
And then there's a big concert afterwards, and it's family friendly.
Yeah, super fun.
And there's people that are really competitive, but it's also very recreational and welcoming for all levels again.
So if you're going to be in Huntsville and planning to attend the Band on the Run, picking up your kit on the Friday, come see us. We'll be right there at the registration headquarters.
And then the following Thursday, so that would be the 14th.
Right.
Periodically I'll run a class in the morning from 9:30 to 10:30, and it's great. Last time we were exploring inversions and how to address them safely and effectively and have fun, and we're going to be doing that again. So a lot of the people that were there last time, we're hoping to offer it again in June.
So more inversions?
More inversions, going
Very
upside down and learning some biomechanics and just keeping it fun but also safe and effective too.
Lots going on.
I know, I'm
kind
thirsty.
Makes me thirsty and hungry thinking about all the things that are going on.
Our green drink today, chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is a great way to make your water a little more alkaline. Chlorophyll structurally, like the chemical composition of it, is very much like our own hemoglobin. So it's often considered to be a blood builder. It's helpful to have things that are a little more alkaline. The body thrives in that environment. These straws, guess what?
They're very cool.
You know how I am about straws.
We both hate straws.
Yes, we do.
They have a blight on the environment.
Yeah, they are. So stainless steel straws. Local Beth McKean is selling fantastic stainless steel straws, and she's making a carrying case for them, which is terrific.
Awesome.
And in those times where maybe you'd like something that is single use, these are plant-based.
Yeah. So if you've got a party or...
A party, you might not have 50 stainless steel
No,
straws.
in your
and
kitchen.
so these ones return to the earth, right? So
nice.
they are plant-based, and they can be shaped. And
they're bendy.
They're bendy
Colorful.
and colorful. They come in. We have green, blue, gray. So just another option for people that would like to have a straw but want to be a little more eco-friendly and eco-conscious. I forgot to mention this chlorophyll by Land Art. It's a Quebec-based company, and love their products. So these are barley-based, and also comes in apple. So apple is great to flavor your water, especially for children who may not like the mint flavor.
Yeah, I like the mint.
So mint and apple are the top sellers here, but they also have a eucalyptus one, and they also have a lime and basil.
Nice.
It's got me here. Now, what are these?
Well, these are pretty cool. So these are called half pops. So it's like the crunchy part of the popcorn. So they're non-GMO, gluten-free.
I'm just going to take the whole bowl.
Yeah, hang on. Absolutely nut-free as well. No artificial flavors, not fried. And this is dill pickle flavor, and they are good if I ever get any. Yummy.
Yeah, they're pretty addictive, actually.
Yeah.
You have a couple, you can't stop.
And then what have you got? You got a snacky thing over there too.
Yeah, Enjoy Life. This is a chocolate bar, but it is milk, nut, and soy free. So it's got a rice base. Sometimes chocolate, regardless of what it's made from, can have a bit of a waxy taste.
I don't like that.
These aren't waxy, and they have one, this has Rice Crisps in it, and then they have a plain one. So
Nice.
really nice, again, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free. Great option if those are things that you're trying to avoid.
Lots of great things coming up. Lots of great snacks and drinks to enjoy.
Yeah,
Yay.
so
And-
you can run along now,
All
Rob,
right.
but I've got my snacks.
Okay, okay.
Have a great week.
Bye for now.